Hello fam from Manila, Philippines.
I'm Ashley, this is Josh. Welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that little bell so you can follow more of our adventures.
Let's go.
We heard the Philippines has the best malls. So when we heard that you can actually stay in one, we decided to rent an apartment in a Filipino shopping mall. First, we'll show you our apartment.
As you can see, we have the city behind us here, and our apartment is right there.
There are over 50 floors in this apartment building, and every single one of them has a balcony. This is our bedroom, a cute little bedroom with air conditioning, which is necessary in the Philippines. You can block off your bedroom if you don't want to make your bed to the living room. And here we have a cute little living room, a couch, television, and this little table comes like, it rolls out and you can use it as like a little TV stand. Very good use of the small space. And a kitchen. We've been cooking our own meals here, which has been so nice because we haven't had a kitchen recently or the easy way to go to a grocery store. But we are in the mall, so that makes cooking a lot easier. This is our bathroom. We have a washing machine that also like spin dries your clothes, and then a shower that has hot water.
We're staying at the Light Residences apartment building, and the mall is attached directly below on the 3rd floor.
In comparison to some of the other Filipino malls, this is considered small, but it has every convenience you can think of. Like a doctor's office, a hardware store just in case your toilet overflows or you need some duct tape.
Or perhaps you need an alteration or a fix for your pants. They can send it right up to your room when it's done. Maybe you need shampoo, lotion, razors, anything you need, you got at the Watsons. Maybe you need a watch battery and watch strap, Ashley?
No, I probably need a watch.
Standard mall fare. They also have the random stuff.
And if you're hungry and you want to eat out, all you have to do is take the elevator down to Shakey's, Filipino food at Teresitas, Chinese at Teddy Man, flaming grilled chicken at Eduardo, kebabs at Turks, and you can wash it down with fruit juice at Fruitas.
Now, because there's 2 stories to this mall, there is a lot more food that you can have, but we're not going to take you through all of them. Suffice to say, there is name brands as well as just local foods that you can get for $1 to $2 for a meal.
If you find that you need to pamper yourself a little, there are 2 salons and a nail shop. You just can come down and get yourself all done up.
But perhaps the best part about living in a mall, at least for us, is that date night is really easy if you want to be a little bit lazy.
There's a freaking arcade so that you can beat the one you love. A karaoke singing box.
You can make your own record album inside here at the mall.
We have to do it.
Okay.
Let's do it. So many songs to choose from.
A score 99. You are a fantastic singer.
Wow, we're good.
Out of 100?
I didn't know we're good.
How do they rate that? Green car for the Cuban links. Y'all sit back and enjoy the light show. The big scenes like a sexy style right now. We'll have the best of the best. Is this what it's all about? I'm at the rest. Go wrong with my rent. Serving the guest. Years of the stress. Years of the dress. Trying to hide a face with some makeup sex. This is trouble season. Time for tough secrets for no reason. It's that screaming. It's from the throat. Here is how I fall. Confusing word is real. This lack of self-control I fear is never ending. Come on, Ashley, you know.
with the movie at the cinema.
Shh, the movie's about to start.
I would just want the simple life. I just want to hold down a job, make some friends. You know, pay my bills.
That was a very good movie.
It was awesome. But date night's not complete without dinner.
All right, so that is living in a Filipino mall. We've come back to our apartment and checking out the view of the city. There's actually a pool down there, which we didn't even get to go to today.
I don't know why I never thought about living in a mall before. It's genius.
It kind of is. Like, you have a giant high-rise with everything that you need below you. Half the stuff you can get delivered straight to your door.
We don't even have to leave here, like ever.
Speaking of which, would you like to maybe order some dessert?
That answer is always a yes.
Alright, well thank you guys so much for watching. I hope we encourage you to get out there and travel today. If you want to help support the channel, you can pick up this limited edition backpack. Link is in the description down below. And we will see you in the next video.
Hold on, if you like shopping, come to the Philippines. Their malls are massive and amazing and beautiful.
But also, our online store is great too. Okay, bye!
Bye!